Hi children, today we are going to study the lesson number 2, that is people with special needs. Means here before going to the lesson, I will tell you one story. There are two boys playing in a park. Okay, one boy, he blindly folded his eyes and he is searching for the other friends. Okay, you used to play no in the park, like that he is also playing. At that moment he go and hit for the trees. Okay, here and there are trees, so for that he go there and he hit. So that's why he thought at that moment, people with blindly there will be a people, no, so every day how they are going to survive now in today's generation. He used to think like that. So that's why we are studying that how they are going to survive with their special needs in day-to-day life. So people who are healthy and who are having all eyes, everything is in proper position. So they are living very conveniently, means very correctly they are living. Okay, so people who are blind, those people with physical disabilities like hand is not there, leg is not there, eyes is not there, so those we call those persons as physical disabilities or disabled person. So those people, how they are going to survive, let us see. Okay, so people with special those people, they need special attention, love, care, everything. So they don't want your pityness. Okay, don't show the pityness for them. If you show like that, so they will not agree that one. So they are leading a people who can help them, and who can manage them. That is that should be a moral support for those people. Okay, so taking care of special people, taking care of special people, how they are going to take care for the special people. So being polite to them. Polite means you should not be a rude, you have to tell in soft way for them, and not teasing or making fun for them. So you should not tease for them. They will have some what that aggressiveness will come for them in their faces. Okay, you should not show that what you should not tease them. Okay, so including them in every party, birthday and every function, you have to invite them with love and affection. So motivating them in a positive way. So you have to motivate them, you have to learn this, you have to do this, like that, very in soft nature you have to tell about whatever it is there. So every day they have to visually impaired, means here visually means you have to read them that, and they will hear that books, comics, newspapers, whatever it is there, you have to read, they will hear that one. Okay, so these special people, they are going to use some sign language, some like this, they are going to use some sign languages. Okay, so that they are deaf and dumb people, they are going to use. Okay, they should not be treated what differently. You have to get together, make them together, and you should be with them with love and affection. This is about how to care the special people. So visual impairment, visual impairment means, here visual impairment means who are not having eyes. Okay, so for them Louis Braille, he has developed some script. Okay, by using those script only they can learn. For them schools also available for that. Okay, so these deaf and dumb people, they can go for that schools. Okay, by use some dots will be there, by using the dots only they will touch the dots and they will they can identify that which language they are reading, they can identify. Okay, that we call it as Louis Braille script. Why means that is called a Braille script, and Louis Braille has developed that. That's why we call it as Braille script. Then, so this is about today's topic, taking care of special people and visual impairment. So in the next topic we are going to learn speech and hearing impairment. Okay, okay children, this I thought you understood this topic. So we will meet in the next class. Okay children, bye.